Hello YouTubers, this is a talk about the Coolmaster Aerospeed box fan part 2. This time I flipped down the exhaust one, make sure it's in the window. The air is high. Oh, I didn't read this on the induction motor. It says red is control for low. I think that's what it is. Let me see if I can read it. Yep, low red, medium black. That went medium blue, high black. So each wire controls the fan speed. On and off, just to let you know. I think that the all box fan motors are induction motor with motor capacitor, because it has a little capacitor on the side right here. Just like the my home's twin window fan, it pushes air through that secondary window, which is pretty good. Let me try that kind of stuff. There you go. Now you can subscribe to daily and weekly videos. You know what I said? Now I'll tell you. Like, comment, subscribe, do daily and weekly videos until it stops spinning. There we go. That's just music in the background.